Now, when it comes to naming your cats, there are a few routes you can take. You can go standard cat names, Mittens, Socks, Fluffy, Precious. Aw, Precious. Or you could go literary, and this can start out pretty well. Dickens, Poe, or Jackie Collins. But if you're not careful, you'll end up getting pretty pretentious and gross. Cats should not be named Anna Karenina, Clytemnestra, or Noam Chomsky. These are cat names that are only meant for the vet's office, so you can sound smart to other people or the staff when they hear your unsolicited views on the Russian Revolution, the glories of ancient Greece, than whoever Noam Chomsky is. He's one of the car talk guys, right? Of course, you can also go silly. This is popular with grown men, like my husband, who, if it were left to him, our cats would be named Anderson Pooper, Mr. Meowgie, and Little Shithead. I had to put my foot down. We're not naming our cats such ridiculous names. I mean, I'm out in the world telling people stories about our cats all the time. I want names that reflect a little sophistication without being too pretentious. So we have Gus, Jenkins, and Little Shithead. We have 3 cats. But before rescuing Jenkins, who is our unplanned third, I'd always had pairs and just 1 litter box. Then I brought Jenkins home and I thought, 1 more box will do it, right? No. No, when you get a 3rd cat, your dirty litter does not increase by 50%. It increases by 150%. With a 3rd cat, the cats simply do not use the box at the same rate as they did before. With a 3rd cat, every cat is now engaged in some primal competition with each other and the litter that is based either on frequency or volume. I can't explain it, I'm not a zoologist, but those of you with multiple cats, and I look around the room and that's every single one of you, you know that this is true. Of course, to solve this, you just have to have the right number of boxes, and there is a formula. Of course, some people will tell you that it's just 1 box per cat, but no. It is much more complicated than that. What you have to do is take the number of cats times the number of cups of food they eat, divided by the number of square feet of your house, then divide by the number of people who will be cleaning the boxes, and then now you have a base number. And this number has to be cubed by the average volume of your litter box, then multiplied by the square root of pi, and then at some point you'll be left with a number that is roughly the speed of light, which is exactly how fast a cat will get inside a litter box that you've just cleaned. Sometimes I feel like